Tell me about yourself.
Yeah, so I am Rupa. I'm from Hyderabad. I have 8+ years of experience into software testing. I work at Virtusa Consulting Services, Hyderabad. I'm mainly concentrated into manual testing so far. From last 8 years, I worked in nearly 3 or 4 projects. I was into e-commerce domain, digital marketing, and insurance domain projects. Currently, I'm working in a digital marketing project.
What all projects you have done, and can you talk about the projects little in a brief?
Yeah, so my first project is of a home serve. A home serve is a UK based company which provides insurance to the home appliances like greaser and any other devices at the home, like electronic things. Uh, so we use it to take data from the customers, and we have to we have a lot of screens in middle, like from login to payment. We use it to have 7 screens, and we use it to maintain each and every screen for UA and functionality testing we use it to do. And now I'm currently working into charter project, which is a digital marketing project. So here we use AEM as a backend, Adobe Experience Manager. So here we we author the pages, we'll test all the components, and we'll ensure like every component is working fine, functionality wise and UI part. And then we'll start authoring the pages in the production environment. Basically our sprint is of 2 weeks. So what the typically how the workflow starts is, first the code will deploy to the QA environment. The code will be there for 2 or 3 days. We'll test all our stories. Once all the stories are passed in QA, the code will move to staging, and there again the code will be there for 2 or 3 days. Then we'll thoroughly do the regression of the new functionalities and the old functionalities, and ensuring that the new functionalities are not breaking the old things. Once everything once everything is done, sorry, so once everything is done, on the deployment day we will have nodes. Like we maintain our deployment in 8 nodes to balance the load. So we'll be testing in each and every node. If every node looks good, they'll switch the nodes to prod. Then our latest changes will be available in prod. So this I'll be taking care in my current project.
Okay. Oh, can you talk about exceptional handling?
So sorry. I told you, right? I was not well. Yeah. So whenever we are executing a program, right, like we will get exceptions. Like we have 3 or 4 exceptions so far. We have seen like array out of bound exception. When you give any when you give the size above whatever you specified, then it will throw an error. So that error we call it as exception. We can't say like if we get an exception we should stop there. To overcome that exception, we use exception handling. In that we have try and catch block. So wherever we get exception, try block won't execute, and it will come to catch block, and it will execute and give the result. And we'll also have finally. So if not only catch if not only catch block, if you want to display any default message or anything to the user, then you can execute finally. You can write finally block to do that. So we are not saying like if we write how to say exception. If we are writing try and catch means it is not like exception should come. But we are just ensuring like if some exception comes, this will handle that.
Mhm. Okay. Okay, write one program to check if two strings are anagram to each other or not.
Okay. Become slow. 1 second. Sorry. What happened? Why objects are opening? Sorry, just give me a minute.
Yeah.
This is the main problem. Whenever someone asks some question, my mind will go blank. Don't know.
Okay.
Every time. Um, so for anagram, like first,
You are unable to share screen. Is it hang?
okay, okay. Sorry, I actually forgot to share the screen. That's the main problem. Sorry. I thought you are seeing my screen and I'm doing. I just started writing. I thought I'm sharing my screen. Yeah, sorry.
Okay, no issue.
Yeah. So we have to take one string and we have to reverse the string and we have to see whether the other one is meaningful or not.
Yes, I
I,
am asking to check whether two strings are anagram.
yeah, string is meaning. But what's happening here? Something I am missing.
Mm. Yeah, this should not be there at system.out println s1.2 char array. Sorry,
Yeah, just
system.out only s1.2 char array.
yeah, I just want to. I just want to print it and see. That's why I'm trying to char array. If we get this as a chars only, we'll be able to compare it with index numbers. No, that's what I'm trying to do.
The
But
thing is,
somewhere
you
I
are
lost.
putting it in under system.out println. That is wrong. In char c1 equal to only this much. s1.2 char array this much. Then after that, system.out c1.
Here, I forgot.
Yeah. Press semicolon. Okay, this okay. Cover put to braces that parenthesis and semicolon. Then char c1
Yeah.
square bracket. After c1 square bracket.
Okay, char array, right? Yes. Wow.
You
Yeah,
need
yeah,
to
got it.
prepare this topic once again. This strings.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, I forgot about array. I thought I'm giving it as char, but I forgot it is array, right? Yeah, okay. Yeah, I'll prepare this topic
Hmm.
to char. Then. Two string array, right? That's something. I have to practice this.
Hmm.
Yeah. Two string array or something should be there. Mm-hmm. Yeah, have to practice.
Hmm.
No.
Arrays dot toString.
Yeah. Somewhere I'm remembering, but there is not two string. No, I totally forgot like the basic of this string also. Uh, here it was two string C1. Yeah, yeah. Now, it should reverse, right? It should reverse, right? Bah.
Anagram is different from reverse. I've shared you the anagram program how it is written. See in the Zoom chat.
I also have it here. I practiced it 3 or 4 days back, Ishan. Like some don't know like how I forgot. Yeah. Oh, sort. Okay, I read out sort. Okay, got it. I also have this. I practiced it twice, I think.
Okay, shall I proceed with next?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Okay, write another program to count the number of digits in Rupa 456.
Sorry, what I have to do, I have to
Count
fetch the.
number of digits in Rupa 456.
Okay, count of numbers. We have some method of count of numbers, count of visits method. Stu dot. We have some method called as count of digits.
Hmm.
How to get it? I'm realizing like I need lot of practice.
Yeah, you need a lot of practice. Need to go through the topics once again, everything.
Yeah, I did lot of practice actually. If you see the programs,
And you have some health issues, so that time.
yeah, yeah, have to.
And
Have to.
also, I can see you are not feeling comfortable and not feeling well.
Yeah, if you see my face itself, I mean, people can say like I'm not well, but I wanted to give Viva today. I prepared so much, but I'm not getting. I'm going blank. Not sure.
Maybe because of the health problem.
Yeah. The thing here is, Ishan, truly, frankly speaking, like I'm not getting time to practice. I usually work at second shift from 2 to 11, 2 to 11, and I
Mm.
have small kid at home, like 3.5 years. So
Mm.
morning batch, right? So by 7 I'll wake up, and from 7 to 8:15 I'll be at class. So
Mm.
8:15 I'll wake up my baby, and I have to take her to school. Then once I'm back, I have to cook and again take her carriage. So from from 2 o'clock again the work is getting started. So hardly I'm getting just half an hour of time to practice Java. Like,
Mm.
but I thought like this is, I mean, I already wasted 8 years. I never got a chance to work into automation from all these years. And
Mm.
because of corona and baby and my father also expired, so I was not able to learn. I mean, I'm not in mood to learn selenium that time. So I took a big step taking this course, and I'm really happy with the course. But I always feel regret, like I'm not getting time.
Hmm.
However, I try to manage things, no, like I just get some half an hour of the time in my whole day. That's the main problem. I don't know how to cope up with that time thing.
Hmm.
Because whenever I get time, no, I'll be trying to do at least, I'll try to cover one or two programs on what's told that day or before day, like that.
Hmm.
But mind is getting occupied with too many things, like work things, home things,
Hmm. I can
and
understand.
now this
Hmm.
one. Yeah.
So
Yeah,
can you
but
do another program on single level inheritance?
yeah. So single level inheritance means usually like one class inherits the properties from, I mean, child class inherits the properties from parent class. So here I created two classes. One is test 2 and the other is text 3. So with extends keyword, I'm trying to inherit the properties of parent class.
Okay. Before that, can you fix what all error is showing in line 13 and 18?
Yeah, sure. So basically, whatever is there in the text, package explorer, that should be the child class name.
Yeah, yeah.
So since I am,
Can you fix this compilation issues? What error it is showing?
yeah, one second. Is to do verify. To right. So this one should be the child class and this should be the parent class. Okay. Here it should not be there. Then what it is? Yeah. Main method. Oh, how come it can't be changed now? Start. Okay. Yeah. This is child type, right? Yeah. Yeah. Fixed the errors, but mm, able to see my screen,
Yes,
right?
I can see.
Okay. Yeah, fixed the errors. So I'm extending the properties of S1.
Mhm.
So if I call this if I call this add method here by create, I mean this is non-static method, right? So we have to create
Mhm.
an object and with the reference variable we can call it. To create objects with child class test underscore two reference variable h1 equals to underscore two h1 dot.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is single level. Yeah, this is single level. If we have one more class here and from there also if we extend, then we call it as multi-level inheritance.
Mhm.
And if two if one child trying to access properties from two parent classes, then that is called as multiple level inheritance. But that is not possible in Java because of diamond problem.
Mhm.
Because both will be like extending the properties from the ancestor object class, no? So that will be in ambiguity confusion, like which class properties it has to use. That's why multiple level inheritance is not possible in Java, but that can be achieved using interface.
Okay. Okay. Write another program containing one try block and two catch block.
One try and two catch block.
Mhm.
Okay. First, I'm trying to create an array. Int of 4. Okay. No. No, I did something wrong here. Okay. I forgot how to derive. Is this the way how we create items? No, right? Like
You should
somewhere.
read that. Listen, you should remove int from line 7 to 10.
Yeah, that's what. I'm not getting why there is. Yeah. So now if I take two more extra, then it will throw me error saying array out of bounds exception. Mm.
We handle it using try catch.
Yeah,
One
yeah.
try block, two catch block. This was my question.
Try block and two catch block. Okay, so we should get two errors.
No, I was asking, I want one try block and two catch blocks. Program on containing one try block, two catch block.
You don't need all this explanation.
Whatever logic you know, but no, you right. But I want program containing one try block, two catch blocks.
Okay. I is where we give our exception and catch is where we gonna handle it, right?
Just proceed accordingly.
First I want the error.
You need practice. Completely, you need programming practice.
Yeah. Theoretically, I'm okay, but like I feel.
Theoretically, okay, but you need to practice lot of programs from beginning. Everything you need to practice on programs.
Yeah. Yeah, even I feel the same mission. Yeah. When like doing assignments alone is not enough, I feel now. Like
Yeah,
we
you
have
need
to
to
spend time.
also spend time on practicing these programs again and again on own.
Yeah, sure. I'm not even able to print what is there. I mean, like, yeah,
Basics. And also you are unable to figure out, remove the compilation error, and you are trying to run with compilation error. So you need to work on it also. Okay, Rupa, come prepare once again and give the viva once again.
yeah, sure, Ishan. Yeah, thank you.
Okay.